From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Cuban Mojo Shrimp, Camarones al Mojo is a flavorful dish that reflects the island's vibrant culinary traditions, blending Spanish, African, and Caribbean influences. The dish centers around mojo, a citrus garlic sauce that is a cornerstone of Cuban cuisine. The word mojo comes from the Portuguese and Spanish mojar, meaning to moisten or to sauce. The sauce traces its roots to the Canary Islands, which had strong cultural ties to Cuba due to Spanish colonization. Canarian immigrants brought their mojo recipes to Cuba, where they evolved using local ingredients. Traditional Cuban mojo is made with sour orange juice naranja agria, garlic, olive oil, cumin, and oregano. In the US, lime or lemon juice is often substituted for sour orange. In Cuba, seafood has always been abundant, and shrimp became a popular protein paired with mojo. The dish likely emerged as a coastal specialty, particularly in regions like Havana and Santiago de Cuba. The tangy, garlicky mojo perfectly complements the sweetness of shrimp, making it a staple in Cuban home cooking and restaurants. After the Cuban Revolution 1959, many exiles brought the recipe to Miami, where it became a key dish in Cuban-American cuisine. Mojo shrimp represents the fusion of Old World and New World flavors, Spanish garlic and citrus meeting Caribbean seafood. It remains a beloved dish in Cuban households and restaurants, symbolizing the island's rich culinary heritage.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.